Guys, here's all the Bop It Maker sound effects.
Bop it to start. Bop it. Shout it. Roll it. Pass it. What? You're out. Oh, okay, no. Party, solo, volume, empty. Squeeze it and name your move. Now squeeze it and do your move. Squeeze it and make the sound effect. You made a new move. Bop it to try. Roll it again to erase this move. Erased. Squeeze it. Yow! The game is literally called Bop It. Score. High score. Oh! Okay, you're right between bad and not good. What? Oh boy. Way to go. Just shout into the microphone. I know. It ain't easy. Have a little meeting with yourself and let's try again. Nope. Maybe you should erase that one. I'm so sorry. High score is not what just happened.